So, in this new module of Classroom Management Mastery, we'll be going over our lesson 4 where we talk about creating structure and routines at work. A well structured classroom is like a well run organization. It is calm, predictable, and productive. Without structure, even the best teachers feel overwhelmed. Structure means clear systems that guide your class, so students know what to expect, what's allowed, and what happens next. Here's the rule: structure creates safety, and chaos creates anxiety. When students feel safe, they behave better, learn faster, and respect you more. And routines are how you make structure visible. These are little daily habits that reduce confusion and keep everyone focused. So think of your class like a football team. If players don't know the rules, positions, or timing, you'll see everyone running around shouting because there's no structure. But when there's a playbook and a routine, they move smoothly even without the coach. Your routines are your classroom's playbook. Let's say your morning class starts at 8 o'clock a.m. Without structure, students stroll in noisily, argue over seats, and waste 10 minutes of good time. With structure, at 8 a.m., everyone knows they should already be seated. A starter activity could be review questions, which begins immediately. Your teaching could start at 8:05 sharp. By week 2, the class runs itself. Already trained them through routine. Key routines every pro teacher needs. 1. Start of class routine. This is the greeting plus activity plus calm focus moment. 2. The transition routine. Here is how to move between lessons or subject. 3. End of class routine, and it's a quick recap, clean up, and closing line. 4. Behavior routine. It's more of a clear process for warnings and consequences for their behaviors. 5. Participation routine. It's how to raise hands in class, answer questions, or work in groups. Every predictable routine removes one source of stress for you as the teacher. So here's a question for you. How do you think students behave better when routines are clear? 2. What's one classroom routine you already use or could start using to save time or energy? What's the risk of having too many rules or routines? That's a very good question. So I would like you to design your first 5 minute routine. Here you plan out your ideal 5 minutes of class. Write down step by step what happens when you walk in, what students do, what you do, and how you set the tone. Remember, in our previous lesson, we talked about confidence and we mentioned that you want to take ownership of your first 5 minutes in your class. It's very important. So, here's an example. One, it could be in bullet point where you write: 1, teacher greets class with a calm smile. 2, students stand up, respond, and sit quietly. 3, a quick start task already on the board. 4, attendance plus warm up question. 5, a smooth transition into the lesson. Once students get used to this, it sets the tone for every class that follows. Till our next lesson, thank you.